Can we apply pharmaceutical-grade technology and safety onto dietary supplements? Years ago, Chief Scientific Officer and Executive Vice President Dr. Joseph Chang and a former partner of ours set out to make dietary supplements safe and functional by incorporating a combination of ingredients from nature as well as Oriental medical knowledge that has been accumulated for thousands of years into modern science. Pharmacologists, biochemists, botanists, biologists, toxicologists, clinicians, and clinical laboratory experts were gathered to research cutting-edge technologies that allowed such supplements to be effectively absorbed into the body. It could have been easier if they had lowered their standards. However, they couldn't compromise. They were fundamentalists who were devoted and endlessly challenged the high standards set by themselves. They created Pharmanex with pride. All the products of Pharmanex must conform to strict standards throughout the process, from selection to substantiation. The 6S quality process, a rigorous standard. Key to the consistent quality in our nutritional products. Pharmanex, uncompromising pursuit of higher standards from science research to product development.